Hi guys. Hopefully you have watched Miss Laura's introduction to Montessori grammar video before coming and hopping on and watching this one. If not, I would say go back and watch that one first because it's going to be really important for what we're doing here because we're already talking about nouns here. Because that one talks about kind of what we look at for nouns and how we define them and what symbol we use in Montessori grammar. This video is going to talk a little bit about the difference between common and proper nouns, and you guys got sorting work for that this week. But the first thing that you're going to do before you get started on your sorting is go to the language section of your binder. You're going to write today's date at the top of your first blank page, and you're going to write September 28th, 2020, or whatever day you're doing this work. For me, that's that. And instead of writing noun work next to it like I had you do in the last video, if you guys want to, you can symbolize the noun as the black triangle, because that's what it is in Montessori writing. And then you're going to write common and proper underneath, because that's what type of nouns you're working on. You're going to write your two categories just like we did for our person, place, or thing sorting, and then as you go through, we're going to write down what they are. So writing down the date, noun work with our black triangle, common and proper, and then having your two categories to write under. I would leave some space in between them if I was you. So just like with the last one, I'm going to tell you a little bit about what those are. So common nouns, you guys, are nouns that are a person, a place, or a thing. They're all the things, for the most part, that we went through last time with the last sorting. Proper nouns are a noun that is a specific person, place, or thing, and they're always capitalized. So this includes things like the names of countries, the names of people, the name of rivers or lakes or landforms, and quite a few different things that you guys will see as you go through your sorting. But I have some of my sorting work here, so let's look at what I got. So I've got common and proper. So the first one I have is country. Now I just said that the names of countries were going to be capitalized. So would country be a common or a proper noun? Country is going to be a common noun because it's not a specific country, it is just the word country. Doctor is another one here. Now a doctor we talked about in the last sorting work is a person. But unless I'm talking about a specific doctor, like, I don't know, Dr. Jones, just thinking of a name, then it is a common noun because it is just a person, not a specific doctor or person. China, though, you guys here, China is a specific country, and you can see that the C in China is capitalized. And so China, because it's a specific country, is a proper noun. And just like I talked about with Dr. Brown here, Dr. Brown is not just any old doctor, it is specifically Dr. Brown. So Dr. Brown would be a proper noun. And then I have city here. So just like the word country, the word city by itself is not a proper noun because it's not a specific city. So it is just a common noun because a city is a place. So I can put it there, and then London is a specific city for London. So because it's a specific city, a specific place, it is a proper noun and it is capitalized as a proper noun and as a place. So as you guys go through, kind of be thinking about that. I was going to go through these two, but I think you guys actually should be good. You have quite a few more examples like this for looking at the difference between common and proper nouns. So just like we did in the last one, we're going to write down underneath our listings which ones are which. And this is really important with common and proper nouns that you use proper capitalization for this. So when I'm writing down the common nouns, I don't want to capitalize the first letter because that would make them proper nouns, which they are not. So I've got country, doctor, and city for my common nouns. Proper nouns, I have China, Dr. Brown, and London. And you guys can keep making your list as you go through. And that way you have it to look back at. I would like you guys to come up with 2 more common nouns at least, and 2 more proper nouns at least. If you want to do more, you can, but at least 2 more common and 2 more proper nouns to add to your list, which I will check when you submit it via Google Classroom or when I see you hopefully later this week, either virtually or remote. So, happy sorting!